Hey Google, talk to Tiny Chef.
Here comes spring making its own statement. Let's cheer up. Happy spring. What would you like to prepare today?
I want to empty my fridge.
Do you have some leftover ingredients in your fridge? Let's use them up. What ingredients do you see there?
Strawberries and bananas.
Here are some recipes I've found for you. Which one would you like to pick?
The first one.
Strawberry banana smoothie provided by Good Eggs. We have two options. We can read the ingredients together or start cooking straight away.
Start cooking.